Hi, my name is Bruce. Welcome to my cooking channel. Today we're going to make chocolate avocados. These are the ingredients. 2 large avocados.
Okay, let me cut those for you first.
First, we need 4 tablespoons of honey. 2, 3, 4. Now 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Fifty grams cocoa powder.
Good job, Bruce.
Put it down.
Can I start?
Yep, hit the on button. Here.
Oh my god, look! It's into chocolate frosting. Now to put in a glass. This needs to be clean, right? Now we're done. 2 cherries.
Is it good?
Just like avocado.